name is Drew Rivers, and I'm one of the farmers and owners of Full Belly Farm. And we grow about 400 acres of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and a variety of different crops that grow really well here in Yolo County. So the farm started in 1984. My husband and I moved here, and we've been farming here ever since. We have about 80 full-time employees that work with us here at the farm and do a variety of both educational and agritourism events here. We have been certified organic for all 40 years that we've been here. It was important to us from the start for lots of reasons. Farm worker health and safety was a really big, important part for us. So farming organically, it really makes us think hard about being sustainable farmers. We grow cover crops. We do a lot of compost spreading in our fields. We have hedgerows scattered around the farm that help with bringing in natural predators and insects. I just feel like supporting small farms in rural areas is so important, and so we just feel like that is the fabric of our country. Small farmer really makes up such an important part of the fabric of our country, and it's so important to support small farms.